Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every home chef and grilling enthusiast should consider, the Escali AH1 oven-safe meat thermometers, which come in a handy 2-pack. We've linked this product in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Escali AH1? These are robust, stainless steel meat thermometers designed to provide accurate temperature readings while your food cooks, whether it's in the oven or on the grill. Their leave-in design means you can insert them into your roast or casserole and let them do their job without needing to open the oven door. This is a game changer for maintaining heat and achieving perfect doneness. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. The first thing you'll notice is the extra-large 2.5-inch dial. It's not just for show. The clearly labeled temperature markers make it easy to see whether your beef, poultry, pork, veal, or lamb is reaching the right doneness. You'll find both Fahrenheit and Celsius readings, making it a versatile tool for everyone, regardless of what unit you prefer. Built to last, these thermometers are crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel. This means they're resistant to high heat, rust, and corrosion. Plus, they're dishwasher safe. After a long day of cooking, you can simply toss them in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. What sets these thermometers apart is their certification. Each unit meets NSF-certified food safety standards, ensuring that they are safe for use in any kitchen, whether at home or in a commercial setting. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're using a trusted product. Now, who would benefit the most from the Escali AH1? These thermometers are perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking, whether you're an enthusiastic home cook, a dedicated griller, or even a professional chef. They're especially useful during the holiday season when cooking large meals like turkey or roasts, but they're also great for everyday use when you want to ensure your steaks are cooked just right. Practical use cases are endless. Imagine pulling a perfectly cooked steak off the grill, or serving a juicy turkey at Thanksgiving, all thanks to accurate temperature readings. These thermometers can also be used for baking, candy making, and even monitoring casseroles, ensuring that your meals come out exactly as intended. In conclusion, if you're looking for precision and convenience in your cooking, the Escali AH1 oven-safe meat thermometers are a fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal. They make cooking easier, help you avoid undercooked or overcooked meals, and provide a level of confidence in your culinary skills that you can share with friends and family. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.